This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to stretch before your gym workout. Starting with dynamic movements is key to preparing your body. These active stretches increase blood flow and warm up your muscles, getting them ready for the demands of exercise. Remember, dynamic stretching should be fluid and controlled, not held in a fixed position. This approach helps improve your range of motion and reduces the risk of injury. Let's look at some effective dynamic stretches. Try performing arm circles, both forward and backward, for about 10 to 15 repetitions each way. Leg swings, moving your leg forward and backward, then side to side, are great for your hips. Also, gentle torso twists can activate your core. Focus on smooth, controlled movements rather than pushing to your maximum range immediately. These prepare your joints and muscles. So, why is this pre-workout routine so important? Dynamic stretching significantly enhances blood flow to your muscles, making them more pliable and less prone to strains. It also improves your range of motion, allowing you to perform exercises with better form and greater effectiveness. Ultimately, a good dynamic warm-up can boost your overall athletic performance and help you achieve your fitness goals more safely. Now, let's talk about what to avoid. A common mistake is performing static stretches, where you hold a stretch for an extended period before your workout. Save those for after your session. Also, avoid bouncing aggressively during dynamic movements. Keep them controlled. And remember, staying hydrated is crucial for any workout. Check the description for a link to a great water bottle and other deals to help you stay on track with your fitness journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.